Hello, my name is Zubair Saeed, Community Health Specialist with the Fairfax County Health Department. I know that this is a scary and difficult time for people as coronavirus infections increase across the country, but I am here to share a message of hope and empowerment with you. What each of us does and what we all do together can make a big difference in what happens here. We know how coronavirus spreads and what works to prevent it. Coronavirus spreads in two ways. Most often from respiratory secretions when an infected person coughs or sneezes, and also from touching surfaces contaminated with the virus, and then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Knowing this gives the power to protect ourselves, our families, and the community through 4 key steps. Number 1, socially distance. If we all stay 6 feet away or more from others, the virus will not spread through coughs and sneezes. Since you don't know whether someone else is sick, keeping 6 feet apart in all your interactions will stop disease from spreading. And while we keep this physical distance, it doesn't mean you have to socially disconnect. Remember to smile at people and wish them good health. Number 2, wash your hands frequently and don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. If you get virus on your hands by touching something that has coronavirus on it, by washing your hands well with soap and water or using hand sanitizer, you kill the virus. And most importantly, don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. This can spread the virus from your hands to places in your body where it can cause infection. Number 3, if you are sick, stay at home and away from others and do this immediately. Whether you have had a positive coronavirus test or have coronavirus symptoms of fever or cough, by immediately isolating yourself from others, you stop the virus from spreading. Most people can safely self-isolate at home, but if you develop shortness of breath or more severe illness and need medical care, please call the ER or 911. Number 4, if you are in direct contact with someone with coronavirus, you should stay home and away from others for 14 days. This is called self-quarantine. This way, if you did catch the infection, you already have stayed away from others and will not continue the spread of disease. These 4 simple measures can be incredibly effective in preventing yourself, your family, and your community from coronavirus. All outbreaks of infection are local. If we do well here, we can reduce the spread of disease in our county regardless of what's happening in the rest of the country. So remember, number 1, socially distance. Number 2, wash your hands and don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Number 3, if you're sick, stay home and self-isolate immediately. And finally, number 4, if you've had direct contact with someone who has coronavirus, stay home and self-quarantine. Coronavirus is new, but it is not a mystery disease. We know how it spreads, and you can protect yourself from it. We have more control than people realize. Assert your control. Take action.